more time. Give it up for the brand new bride and groom, Rico and Catherine Polaris. That is a beautiful first dance. It's like they're dancing in the clouds. That is just awesome.